Attorney Magno. Mga tanong naman sa Bureau of Immigration. Nasaan po si Sir Taga? Yes, sir. Mr. Manahan. Sir, well, last week, the President decided to sack your predecessor in what appears to be reasons motivated by the failure of the Bureau to detect the escape of Guo Huaping. In short, nasa lisihan kayo. So, wag nyo na po sanang pagtakpa ng inyong ahensya. As I'm sure you know that there's value in the Senate knowing saan ba nagkulang at kung may kailangan tayong iwasto. So, magtapat po kayo, Mr. Manahan. Do we have, at this point, credible information of BI officials having been bribed to facilitate the escape of Guo Huaping?
Magandang umaga po, Madam Chairperson, Your Honors and members of this honorable committee. With regard to that question, Madam Chair, the BI is still undergoing its internal investigation, and rest assured po na after ma-finalize po any investigations or conclusions with regard to the investigation, we will submit to this committee. Again, ma'am, we hindi po namin madi-discredit na part of the investigation is also investigating our own personnel and our ports of entries and exits. So, as I mentioned last hearing, there's a possibility po na it's yung escape ay nangyari sa aircraft or sa sea vessels, but at this time nakatuon po kami sa sea path ng pag-escape po ng Guo siblings. So we will submit, ma'am, once ma-finalize po namin ang aming investigation po. Thank you.
Salamat po. Although the committee has heard that earlier, and sabi nga dito sa gilid ni Senator Joel, ang tagal naman. Pero particular, meron po bang lumabas na balita mula sa intelligence community na may high BI official ay tumanggap ng 200 million pesos mula kay Guo Huaping? Ganong ka panipaniwala ang ganitong impormasyon?
Madam Chair, dun sa amount po na 200 million, na nakakuha po tayo ng intelligence information with regard to the amount. Pero with regard to dun sa tumanggap po ng that amount na isang BI personnel or associated sa BI, wala pa ho, pero we're still validating. We're part of the investigation, Madam Chair.
Kailan nyo na po mabavalidate? Kasi nabanggit ko na po ito sa previous hearing at sinabi na rin po ng BI noon na iniimbestigan nyo na noon.
The soonest, Madam Chair. But
when is the soonest, sir?
If we have a validated information, Madam Chair, we will submit.
Within several days?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Madam Chair.
How many days po? 3 days? 1 week?
I'm sorry, Madam Chair, but I cannot commit. I can only commit if there's a validated information, Madam Chair.
Of course, I understand that. So within a few days?
We will try, Madam Chairperson.
Try your best. Itanong ko rin, before Senator Joel, itanong ko rin itong parehong tanong kay General Villanueva. Kapanipaniwala ba yung ganyang impormasyon na mayroon daw mataas na BI official na tumanggap ng 200 million para patakasin si Guo Huaping?
Good morning, Madam Chair. Actually, ma'am, we haven't confirmed yet kung talagang may mga usap-usapan po within the intelligence community.
Yes.
Pero wala pa pong confirmation, ma'am, kung may mga witnesses na mayroon talagang nabigyan. But yun ang usap-usapan ngayon. They're still validating it, ma'am.
Ano pa po yung usap-usapan bukod sa general detail na yon na 200M to a high BI official? Meron pa bang ibang mga di umanong sinuhulan? Meron pa bang additional amounts na pinag-uusapan?
May pinag-usapan na yung sa border immigration.
Mhm.
Hindi ko lang alam, ma'am, yung exact amount, including PNP officials.
Mm.
Pero hindi ko pa rin
Mhm.
ma-confirm yun, ma'am. Kasi I'm outside of the loop lately, ma'am, because we're busy right now helping the law enforcement agencies running after the illegal pogos in the countryside or in the provinces.
Alin pong PNP units ang binabanggit sa usap-usapan?
Hindi PNP unit, ma'am, but personalities.
PNP personality. Sino-sino po?
I think it was mentioned the former chief PNP.
Which one?
I don't know, ma'am, but former chief PNP.
Wow. Alright. Salamat, General Villanueva. Sino pong resource person ng PNP dito? Yes, sir. General Takaka. So we've heard a few of the agencies so far saying nagkukondukta po sila ng internal investigation sa kanila ring mga hanay. Narinig nyo or sa sariling Intel Directorate at units ng PNP, meron din po bang ganitong mga impormasyon, ganitong mga hundreds of millions of pesos in di umano mga bribe amount sa mga matataas na opisyal sa BI at ngayon nababanggit pati isang dating PNP chief pa. Sa inyo pong investigasyon, ano pong lumalabas, General?
Good afternoon, Madam Chair. For the part po ng PNP, so far po wala po kaming report with regards po kung may mga nasuhulan na PNP personnel. But despite of that po ay yung aming pong intelligence community ay tuloy-tuloy po ang kanilang pag-coordinate sa ibang agencies para malaman kung may mga PNP personnel na involved, then we will file the necessary case po kung may mga evidence po kaming makukuha, Your Honor.
General, I'm almost disappointed. Dahil sa isang naunang hearing, kayo ang naunang institusyon na nakaalam na nakatakas na sa bansa si Go Huaping. Kayo lang yung nagsabi, August 14 pa lang alam nyo na. At August 15 sinabihan nyo ang BI. Whereas all the other agencies then said August 19 lang daw nila nalaman nung nag-manifestation ako na parang sa Senado pa umaasa ng Intel ang ating Intel agencies. I cannot believe it and I don't want to believe it. Kasi pag ganun talaga ang state of Intel natin, kawawa tayo sa mga susunod na panahon. So sir, earlier, the PNP resource person in an earlier hearing also said, may internal investigation kayong ginagawa. Wala pa bang bunga yun? Especially about a very important issue like corruption of high officials within the organization.
Yes, ma'am, yung report sa amin na nakatakas si Alice po is coming from the Interpol po, ma'am. So yun po yung naging information po namin coming from the Interpol po na nakuha po natin.
So,
then yung sa mga allegations po na is ongoing naman po, ma'am, yung aming investigation.
Yes sir, pero more than a month ago na po yung August 14 na input ng Interpol. So really I'm shocked. And PNP widow po ako, alam nyo naman. So may expectation ako sa National Police natin. Well, thank you, General, but PNP has to come back with more than that sa komiteng ito. Kami, ginagawa namin yung aming trabaho in terms of investigation in aid of legislation, but patapos na rin po kami. Step up na dapat talaga ang law enforcement. Salamat, General Takaka. Before I recognize Senator Joel, balik lang, General Villanueva, you mentioned a former chief PNP. Mula sa intel nyo, anong klaseng tulong, aid o assistance ang pinrovide nung taong ito?
I don't know the exact ma'am kung anong pinrovide na support. But yun lang naman na nabanggit sa amin, sir, but hindi pa na-confirm yan, ma'am, kung talagang nagbigay or binigyan or tinanggap or may witnesses. Yun lang po ang naririnig namin, sir, within the intelligence community. But I'm out of the loop po kasi lately, ma'am, hindi ko din ma-confirm yan, ma'am, kung ano.